In this video, a slab with edge insulation is created above the ground floor. Further on, slab openings are created for the stair and the chimney. This is followed by the cantilever slabs with insulation under the terraces. Finally, the slabs for the carport and the roof over the terraces are copied from the wizard. Planes must now be assigned to the drawing files. To do this, click on Open on a project-specific basis. If you open the Floor Manager, you will see that the slab thickness is already predefined. The Floor Manager can therefore be closed again. Click on the slab drawing file with the right mouse button and select Assign Planes. Activate the top level of the ground floor and the bottom level of the first upper floor under Assign Planes. Close the Behavior of Drawing File screen with OK. Behind the slab drawing file, the heights deviating from the floor are now shown in blue. Perform the same step for the drawing files for the floor slab and ceiling slab lower floor and ceiling slab first floor. The building structure should then look like this. First, the edge insulation is drawn. Drawing file 101 floor plan is set to passive and drawing file 102 slab is set to active. Click on the Wizard 08 slab's roof and start the function wall by double-clicking the right mouse button on the slab edge element. In the properties, check the height. Activate the rectangular component. Click on the corner of the wall on the bottom right as the first point. If necessary, you can reverse the orientation of the wall. The intersection of the insulation and the right terrace edge must be determined. To do this, click with the right mouse button in the drawing area. Select the entry point of intersection from the context menu. The insulation is selected as the first element and the right edge of the terrace as the second element. The second step is to draw the slab. The slab function is started by double-clicking the right mouse button on the reinforced concrete slab in the wizard. The slab can be drawn via a diagonal input. In a virtual test, window setting 2+1 animation window, you can see whether all components lie neatly on top of each other. Now a 20 cm thick insulation is missing underneath the cantilever slab. The insulation for the cantilever slabs is available in the 08 slabs roof wizard. These are also entered as slabs around the openings, from the front edge of the opening to the outer edge of the edge insulation. The slab openings are still missing for the stair and the chimney. These can also be started from the wizard. Now the slab panel can be clicked on. Pay attention to the note in the dialog line on prompt. The slab opening can now be entered above the stair. Since the function is still active, the properties of the round opening can be picked up in the wizard with the pipette. The anchor point of the opening can be set to central and thus placed directly above the fireplace in the living room. The slab carport and the roofing terrace can be copied from the wizard. In the 07 carport wizard, the carport roof is marked and zoomed in at the bottom left of the wizard. Alternatively, you can start the function copy and paste and mark the roof carport in the wizard. The best anchor point is the lower left corner of the wall. The lower left corner of the carport serves as the drop-in point. At the end of the lesson, the roof of the terrace is also copied from the wizard to the floor plan using the copy and paste function. For the anchor point, make sure that the inner point is used, as the outer point belongs to the sill. The dashed line in the floor plan serves as the drop-in point.